Hi everyone, look what just got dropped on my bench. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little crack that goes down to the top of that dot. There you go, you can see it there. So now this is definitely going to need thinning. I can't get away from it because look how thick it is down in there. If I measure the edge, it's 36, but if I measure down here in the gullet, especially at the bottom of that crack, it's nearly 1 mil. That's too fat. So I don't know. I'm going to have to give it a go. Wish me luck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it over to the sander. I'm going to take out those cracks. Then I suppose I'm going to use this bit here to just try and get it done like they did it. But you can see that they weren't really that concerned with the look of it, and I reckon I could probably do at least that good a job. Wish me luck. Here we go. Finally finished it. What do you think? Pretty shiny. Works well. Let's test it 3 ways. Beautiful. Telephone book paper. Tally ho. Okay, final test. That's a result. Thanks for watching.